So I open Microsoft Word in my Windows computer, and after that I type 211b. Okay, I type like this 211b, and then I going to press, this is the Alt key and this S key. I am going to press these two keys at the same time, and you can see that this is the cursive capital R, or cursive letter, that is largest script R we have created by this method. And I'll show you one more method. For doing this, you must if your number lock is off, you must turn on the number lock. Now you can see an Alt key on the left side of the space bar. You must press and hold this Alt key. Don't remove your finger from this Alt key. At the same time, in this numeric section here, you type 8475. So remember, one of your fingers should be in this Alt key. After that, you must type this 8475. After typing 8475, you must release your finger from this Alt key. Again, the same result. For more videos, subscribe. Thank you.